A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. So another review of this one's another Kickstarter razor, but from a familiar face. This one is the Natu Razor. Well, the Natu from Natu Razors. Now, those of you that don't know, Natu is a separate company developed by the same two founders of Tatara razors. So I'm gonna just get into it. This one's gonna be short and sweet, actually. So here's the package that it comes in. And this was in another box that it was shipped in a box. This box was inside. So when you open it up, now the reward that I backed was for the Natu Super Early Bundle. And the packaging is all very eco-friendly paper packaging. So I got the razor, which is right here, the brush, the soap, and it came with an extra 100 pre-split blades. This is a single edge razor. And I'm going to pull two of the items out of here and set this aside. I'll set this right here. All right. So a little bit about the razor. I'm going to read a little bit off their Kickstarter blurb here. So since 2016, we've built the Tatara Razors brand, now trusted globally for their precision and sustainability. Many users love the eco-conscious ethos of safety razors, but struggled with the learning curve or missed the convenience of cartridges in areas such as armpits, legs, and head. We listened. What feels perfect for one person might be uncomfortable or ineffective for another. Natu is the next chapter, blending everything we've learned into a razor that's easy, affordable, and planet-friendly. Now, I read everything about this razor. I love Tatara razors. The Amakuni is one of my favorite head shavers. It's in my top list of razors in my den. I have a couple of their DEs. The names elude me currently. I'm not sure, and I love them. They're not going anywhere. But and I love their packaging. Their eco-friendly packaging typically comes packed in cork and paper. Really, really nice stuff. Great, fantastic razors. So I jumped on board, even though I knew full well after reading everything, this razor is not for me. It wasn't designed for me, but it doesn't mean I wouldn't enjoy it. I wanted to give it a try. Plus, I wanted to support Natu and Tatara. And I like the idea of the matching brush and everything and the multiple colors they had. I thought I'd bought the green one, but apparently I chose the copper. So let me bust out the razor here. So this is the packaging that it comes in. And I believe you can order this direct from the Natu website now. And then when you open it, I don't want it to fall out, so I'm going to kind of have an angle. You've got the razor with some loading instructions, and you've got, I can't remember how many, I think 10 pre-split blades down here. Let me pull the razor out and set this aside. So here is the razor, and it is a longer handle, as you can see, as they do focus more towards body shavers with this, head shavers, armpit, legs of nature. It is a pivoting head razor. Not as much travel in the pivot as other pivoting head razors, but for me, it worked perfectly. Had the right amount of pressure to engage a pivot. It was very familiar as of a cartridge razor, which was there by design. Same travel as most cartridge razors, and same pressure needed to engage it. To load it, you just lift that cap. It's got magnetic. It has a couple little seats on either side for the edge groove of the razor blade. Magnet in both the cap and the base, and then you just flip it closed and it snaps closed with the magnets. Very, very easy. Very, very easy to load. Great design. And the brush, I did get the matching brush. Oh, it's right in front of me. Yes. So the packaging on the brush. And let me get that open for you. And it's a very similar design as the razor. It's held inside with paper, and it has some instructions on how to use it over here on the side. And it is in a matching finish, and they have, I believe, 6 colors to choose from. I'll go over those in a second, and it's in the thumbnail. So here is the razor, has the Natu there. It's designed very much like the handle of the razor. Did I say razor? Here's the brush. It's designed very much like the handle of the razor, just in a brush format. And the two together, beautiful pair. Beautiful pair. I was kind of worried at the knot. It was looking very cashmere-ish to me, and I find cashmeres to be too soft for me, but it is a wonderful knot. Wonderful knot. I actually quite enjoyed this, and I really like the size. And the razor and everything, this seems like one I could toss in a dot kit and not worry. And beautiful, beautiful little brush, actually. The weight's not too bad. It's all out of aluminum, CNC aluminum. Let me see if I can find a few specs real quick to cover with you. I didn't find weight anywhere. I'll have to weigh it. I have a scale right over here, my postal scale, so I can do that. So the head at the core of Natu is its pivoting head, engineered to follow the natural lines of your body from jaw lines to knees, armpits to scalp. It adapts effortless and for a confident shave. The handle, Natu, is crafted from solid rust-resistant aluminum. It's designed with a good grip to feel secure in your hand. And it is in 6 colors, yes. So you have the natural silver color, you have gold, you have pink, you have green, you have the copper and black. But I didn't see any blade gaps or lengths or weights, and I think that's because of who they're focusing on. They're not focusing on me. They're not focusing on the experienced wet shaver. They are focusing on the people that want to make the switch from cartridges, but don't want all the commitment involved in what we love in our community. They just want to shave and go. But they are conscious about being eco-friendly. So, and that's fantastic. There is a need for that in our community, 100%, in my opinion. So as far as the texture, it's kind of like a bead blasted, sandblasted, but there is like a machine mark. You can feel a little bit of the machining here, which gives you great grip. And then on the flat sides that are really smooth, it does have like a textured bead blasted finish that feels really good. There was no issue with this when I was shaving with it as far as slippage or anything. And the top cap is definitely smooth and slick enough. No issues with it skipping or dragging or anything on the head or the face. Same with the handle. The handle is the exact same texture and finish as the handle of the razor. The brush handle was wonderful. I don't have enough good things to say about it. But as I stated, this razor was not designed with me in mind. It is a very mild shave, very mild, as it was designed to be. They hit it out of the park for what they were doing. For me, though, shaving with this, it turns into about a 6-pass shave. Zero irritation, but it's just that mild. And if I'm going to get to where I like to be at the end of a shave, then yeah, I'm going to need about 6 passes or just a whole lot of cleanup. It'll get there. It got there for me. It just took a little bit longer. And there's nothing wrong with that. This is for those people that grab a cartridge razor, 1 pass and go. And there's few nowadays, but there are times, especially when I'm traveling or just wake up late in a hurry, that's what I want. I'm just going to do a quick pass, clean up where I can look good. It's a passable shave, but not for my own personal benefit of being BBS and everything else to where I'm just constantly feeling my face or my head. So yeah, they killed it for what they intended. And that is nothing negative. What I'm saying is nothing negative about this razor. It just wasn't designed for me. And that's fine. There's many different types of shavers out there, and there is a need in the market to get people into wet shaving that needs to be filled, honestly. And I'm glad that Natu/Tatara, however we want to do it, is going for that. I think it's outstanding of them. I think they're going to do very, very well. As far as the soap was a very clean citrus scent. They do talk about it a little bit. Let me get to the part of the soap here, and I can read it off to you. Now, everything is produced with green products. So the soap is no synthetic perfumes, natural ingredients infused with essential oils that blend citrus notes of lemongrass, orange, and cedar. No harsh chemicals, just pure skin-loving goodness. Can be used with or without a shaving brush. Now, it just comes in a puck. You can put it in a mug with a brush, or you can just rub it on your face or your leg or your armpits or your head, and then lather it up a brush, or you can just get it nice and wet and just, make a layer of it on your skin just without a brush. It works. I did it both with applying it directly and with loading it up in a mug with a brush, and it is a great lather. It's a great shave. Very clean, bright citrus scent. I enjoyed it. Fantastic soap. I like it a lot. I really love this brush. I do. I think I've said this a lot of times about some smaller brushes that I think that's my new travel brush, but then another one comes along that I want it to be my travel brush. This is going to take up so little space in my DOP kit that I probably won't even put this in a tube like I normally do because of the nice compact size, and yet still such a full, wonderfully performing knot. So I think this may be the one for now. That is my new travel brush. I will be taking this with me to Arizona this coming weekend, actually. But yeah, so the Natu, is it for you? I couldn't tell you. It's a great price. It's very economical. I paid, I think, 80 something for the bundle. Just the razor, now that was with the super early bird. Just the razor itself, I think is in the $60 range, if I remember. If you want to give it a try, give it a try. Just don't go in expecting a DE type shave. Know it for what it is. Do your research, read up on it, talk to people if you want. But if you're looking to get somebody into wet shaving, this is a great package to get them. I can see this really, if I had received this first, I would be real happy. If someone had sent this to me to get me into wet shaving, I would have been ecstatic, actually, as how well it produces. Enjoyed it a lot. My robot vacuum just started, so you can probably hear some noise in the background. Sorry about that. Forgot about what time it was. That's really all I got to say about it. Natu, fantastic job. Okay. If you want me to compare this to a razor, y'all know, most of you know how much I wanted to like the Proof razor. And I have a Proof still. I bought probably 4 or 5 because I kept coming back because I love the design. I'm loving this design just as much. But this reminds me of the Proof razor. It's the same thing with the Proof. I had to do about a 6-pack shave to get really clean. Now, the more I use the Proof, the better the shave got, but it took me a very, very long time, just like it may with this. I will keep using this razor, and I may be able to get to a point where I can get a good shave. I don't know what that's going to be like or what technique I'll need to use, but I think it can happen because it did with the Proof. But it took me almost a year and 6 different Proof razors for me to figure that one out. So just know that going in, that this razor may not be designed for you. You may not be the customer this was intended for. So if you do pick one up and it's not working for you, don't knock it, because I think it's fantastic for who it is intended for. But there's another good look at that razor. I don't know if I gave you a good look at the head open. Fantastic. Awesome job, Natu. I'm very happy with it. Very proud of what you did. Almost dropped the brush. I will continue to use this razor and see how I can improve my shave with it, possibly with a few different blades. I did put in, the first thing I used was my usual Tatara, being it's from the makers of Tatara. And then I used a Kai, and I got a little bit better shave with the Kai, being a sharper blade. And I'll probably try a few others. You never know what may work best. And if you do snap your blades, there's plenty of room for that blade curl. On both sides, having these notches on the corners, so there's no issues there. That doesn't stick out below the cap to where it can still grab you. No, they thought of everything. It's fantastic, fantastic. That's all I got, guys. Find your peace and button where you can, and we'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.